Alright guys, so usually I bring you a model home that's already been staged, that looks good, has all the nice finishes, great upgrades. But today we actually want to do things a little bit different. I want to bring you a house that's already been completed, that's not a model home, that's not being staged, that's raw, and I want you guys to check it out. Look at all the finishes. Today we are in Fulshear on Fulshear. This home right behind me is sitting on a 60 feet lot, and it's built by HIGHLAND. Hey guys, so if you're new to the channel, my name is Solomon. I'm a local real estate agent here in Houston, Texas. I also serve all the surrounding neighborhoods. So if you're out there and you're looking or you're thinking about relocating to Houston, Texas, whether it's in 9 days or 90 days, don't forget to hit me up. My contact information will be in the description below, and my team and I will be more than happy to help you make a smooth move to Houston, Texas. Now, if you also enjoy videos like this one, you enjoy home tours, you want to know everything there is to know about Houston, Texas, live, breathe, move here, well, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. So without further ado, let's come and check out this amazing model home by HIGHLAND. So if you enjoy videos like this one, you love home tours, you want to know more about the lifestyle here in Houston, Texas, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Now, if you're also thinking about relocating to Houston, Texas, or in Fulshear or Richmond or Willis, Texas, wherever, please reach out to me. My contact information will be in the description below, and I will be happy to help you make a smooth move to Houston, Texas. So without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next videos. You guys take care of you, take care of your families, take care of your kids, take care of your loved ones. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.